What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Dogecoin. I don't usually cover Doge, but I was looking at the charts, just starting to break out, and I entered a trade. So I thought I would make a video. So we're up about 18%, absolutely incredible in the last 24 hours. We're sitting at 35 cents. We're sitting at a market cap of 45.81 billion. 24-hour volume is 7.85 billion. If you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Receive $25 in crypto. They recently signed with the UFC, and they're going to absolutely be massive and one of the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the future, in my opinion. So let's hop into the Doge, guys. So we can see here we had a bull pennant. We just started to break out. I entered a trade at 33 cents. I'll throw it up on the screen here, and I'm already seeing some juicy gains. I just did 4x leverage, as Doge is quite volatile, but we are in an uptrend here. So I've drawn out our technical targets up here at 38 cents. So even from the current price, you're looking at about a 10% gain. And if you got in right at the breakout, if you're trading Doge, you're looking at about a 15% gain. And it could be much, much more if you're trading with leverage. If you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, check out my full link tutorial and sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in bonuses. And it's ending soon, guys. So you can see here we're getting back above the 0.5 on the Fibonacci here. I'm going to jump over into the daily time frame. So we're getting back above the 0.5. Our technical target is 38 cents, and your next target for Doge is the golden ratio up here at about 40 cents. We are overextended from the EMAs, but we're just having the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55, which is, of course, is a massive sign of strength. We are overbought here on the daily, but we can see many times with Doge it went all the way up to about 9. It went, wow, went to 96. We can see it's previously gone much higher on the RSI. It tends to pump quite hard, and we're starting to see a little bit of a pump right now. So those are your next targets. 38 cents is your target from your technical target from the bull pennant, and then we have the golden ratio 40 cents. We get back above it, we back test it as support. We would need to see some consolidation. It would be healthy so we don't just see a hard sell-off for Dogecoin. To have some consolidation either at 38 cents or up at the golden ratio. If we back test it as support, see a little bit of consolidation. But I just wanted to make you guys aware of that pattern. You can see Doge is moving quite quickly here. We can see Bitcoin is once again testing 47,608. If we break above that, we back test it as support. I don't see Doge having any problem reaching that technical target. All right, guys, so I just wanted to show you guys that breakout here. Let's drop in a quick level of support. If we were to see any type of sell-off, give me the 4-hour time frame. Probably drop in a level right around here. You see all the support in this area, as well as some resistance. So that could act as a level of support here. But it is looking healthy for continuation, but I will drop in 30 cents as a level of support. So just quickly wanted to show you guys that pattern, the fact we're breaking out. I have entered a trade here. As I've said, it's moving quite quickly. So just wanted to make you guys aware of that. All right, so that's it for Dogecoin. Hope it brought you some value. If it did, smash that like button, sign up to Bybit, follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love, guys. Take care.